They take it quick, they take it short. Because in Nilele, you can't, it's 2 against 1. You must always have someone also maphambi this guy or that guy. Nilele, I need sharp, let me play it. Sleeping on shoot, cross, beautiful save, brilliant save, but the finishing here for me it was poor. Goalkeeper ume phakathi nendawo, you still want to head phakathi nendawo. Ndoda, you're a defender. A defender, my man. This should be your daily bread. Now, sharp, here. Umabuwe is here. Angithi, you are the one who's supposed to be picking this guy. Okay, let's start here. Let me start here. You have uSilva as a striker coming in to help the defenders. Angithi, sizomaka. But you are all alone. Why ungazanga net defender? Angithi uzela ukuzo defender. Is a net defender, sit defend. When we won. Now you have Umabuwe on a tall guy. Play the cross, it's easy. This guy is taller than everyone that's here at the back. No communication whatsoever. You can't be doing this boxing. Kiole, no, Kiole ya ing. You are the one who's supposed to go with him. How? You can't do that boxing. Should have scored there, but brilliant save. My goalkeeper of the season.